Hello, everybody. How are you? I hope you're good. I am here with day 15, which is concerts. And I knew this would take a lot of thinking, but I found a program. It's pretty cool. So, I went to a lot of concerts with my mom. It was something that we loved to do together. And I saved a lot of babysitting money to go to concerts, probably from 13 till I don't know. I'm still going to concerts here and there. Not as many as I used to, but so mainly the concerts that I put down on here is when I was 13 till I think 25, and a lot were when I was younger, and a lot were with my mom. And I'm gonna tell you, my very first concert was a Kiss concert with my Uncle Randy, and he had the makeup on. Kiss had makeup, and he was babysitting and got free tickets, and he took me, and he's like, "Shh, don't tell your parents." He took my brother and I can remember it, and they freaked me out because I was little. So here's the list of my concerts. It took 2 pages. Yeah, and I have a lot of my check stubs, concert stubs, ticket stubs, but they're packed away. I can't show you because my cedar chest is in storage, or I would show you. So here we go. Ready? It took 2 pages, and I guarantee I forgot some. So I'm gonna list you. So there's a mixture from country, rock, pop, you name it. Ready? So Kiss, Oak Ridge Boys, Trace Atkins, Alan Jackson, New McCoy, Tim McGraw, Def Leppard, Skid Row, Bon Jovi, Poison, Rat, Lita Ford, Night Ranger, Prince, Tesla, REO Speedwagon, Cinderella, Whitesnake, Van Halen, AC/DC, Great White, Ted Nugent, Dio, White Lion, Cheap Trick, Metallica, Motley Crue, Bryan Adams, Bad Company, Damn Yankees, Firehouse, Judge, Trans-Siberian Orchestra. Jesus, try to say that 5 times in a row. Toby Keith, Billy Dean, Scorpions, Trickster, Chicago, Alabama, Loverboy, Nitty Gritty Dirt Band, Quiet Riot, Rick Springfield, Helix, Megadeth, Warrant, Sawyer Brown, the Jackson 5. Except draw, because I guarantee there's a lot I've missed. Especially when it comes to country. Because we have we have a lot of fairs where bands are. Like, can I remember seeing Joe Nichols? Oh, see, he just popped in my head. And it was like, I saw Ted Nugent, and there was another band with Ted Nugent at the Brown County Fair. I saw, like, Damn Yankees at the Brown County Veterans Memorial. Saw Poison there. Saw Brent Michaels, just Brent Michaels at the casino. You know, but we have a lot of fairs that it was one price, get in the gate and go see a concert. Yeah. And like Tim McGraw, I saw him before he was like where he is now, at a fair. John Michael Montgomery, saw him too. Trace Atkins, saw him too. See, I'm thinking of all these ones that are coming up in my head. I have gone to a lot of concerts because it kind of petered off once my mom passed away. You know, you lose your concert buddy, and it was my mom. Not for the rock concerts so much, but country. So, the last concert I went to, God, I'm trying to think. I was supposed to go see Cher with Diamond, and she canceled. Bummer. Yeah. Because Diamond's like, Mom, would you like to go see Reba McEntire or Cher? And I went, Cher. And she had to cancel her tour, so I didn't get to see her. We got our money back. But concert. Night Ranger. Yep. But Diamond and Sam took me to see Night Ranger. That was like 4 years ago. Yep. Night Ranger. I have gone to Night Ranger every time they come pretty close to me. They're my favorite band. So let's see. I want to go see this year, and I'm trying to talk Scott into taking me because I want to go see 30 Seconds to Mars. I like them. So, I want to thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a lovely day. Go check out and see what Sandy and Tammy came up with on their day 15. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.